Big mistake.
Hey, can I see your insurance, please?
Big mistake.
It's on that phone.
Wow, that's a...
Welcome to U.S. Corrupt Cops, where we expose abuses of power in law enforcement. Today we'll uncover two shocking cases of constitutional violations and misconduct, one involving unlawful detainment by Phoenix police, and another highlighting brutality and injustice in Buffalo. If you like this video, press 1. On May 20th, 2023, two auditors were traveling down the road when they noticed a patrol car suddenly accelerating behind them, effectively pursuing them to initiate a traffic stop. Bear in mind that the driver was not speeding at all, making it quite unusual for the officer to exceed the posted speed limit just to catch up. Recognizing this oddity, the passenger immediately pulled out his mobile phone to record the encounter. Observe as Officer Larry from the Phoenix Police Department approaches the auditors and gets caught thinking up a reason for the stop.
Flying up on us. There we go. Yep. There you go, I'm flying on your ass. Do it. Oh shit. Oh, he's pulling you over.
I'm
going live.
Hi, sir. I'm Officer Larry, Phoenix PD. Any weapons inside the car? Any guns, knives, or anything like that?
What's that matter?
Huh?
What's that matter?
Because during the traffic stop, I can ask if there's any weapons inside the car and failure to provide a truthful answer to that suggested offense.
So this is a traffic stop? Aren't you asking for a driver's license, saying what we did wrong?
Is there any weapons inside the car?
I don't answer questions.
Okay, that being said, may I see your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
For?
It's a traffic stop.
Yeah, but you stopped me
For
for
what? What was the traffic infraction?
Sorry?
What was the traffic
First of all,
infraction?
speed coming northbound on 27th Avenue.
Huh.
And also somebody's trying to lie for me from this video.
dash cam.
You don't think that...
So speed my ass.
Yeah.
Your speed. I saw you.
Yeah, I'm allowed to speed to catch up to a vehicle, sir. I just wanted to make sure that everybody was okay inside this car because I also got a bright light from the inside.
So, hold on a minute. So is it speed or is it a bright light?
It was both, sir.
Well,
Good? All right.
he's putting it in, make sure it's in park.
All right. May I see your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
For a light?
I'm driver.
Yeah.
May I see your driver's license, registration?
Right from the start, Officer Larry adopted an authoritative tone, asking if there were any weapons in the vehicle instead of first providing a reason for the stop, which is standard protocol. When it was time to actually give the auditors a reason, the officer literally paused for a few seconds before stating that the driver was speeding and that someone had flashed a light at him, adding that he pulled them over to ensure everyone was okay. Note that the only two reasons he provided were speeding and flashing a light. But this changes later in the encounter, as you'll see. Nonetheless, the first thing to remember is that Officer Larry falsely accused the driver of speeding. This is significant because the vehicle had a dash cam that actively recorded its speed, which the driver confidently mentioned. Of course, this alone doesn't disprove the speeding accusation, but we'll soon realize it was indeed unfounded. Additionally, the officer claimed that someone in the vehicle had flashed a light at him, from a flashlight, not the car's headlights. Keep in mind that for a temporary traffic detention, officers generally must have reasonable suspicion that the driver or someone in the vehicle is committing or has committed a crime. Considering this, using a flashlight from inside a vehicle isn't typically considered a violation that would warrant a traffic stop. In fact, it could have various innocent explanations, such as trying to get the attention of another driver or signaling a pedestrian. It is not inherently illegal or dangerous. These factors lead us to conclude that Officer Larry unlawfully detained the auditors. Now observe as it becomes evident that Officer Larry was angered by the auditors' awareness of their rights and their refusal to comply with his unlawful demands.
So, you're lying about my speed,
Okay.
but you're pulling me over for something I don't have control over?
Why don't you call your supervisor while you're at it too?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, you're going to do it. Go
Are
ahead.
you the registered owner of the vehicle, sir?
Yep.
Okay.
Go ahead and do it right now while we can see you do it so we know you called us.
No. All I have to do is present it to you.
Hey, whoa, what the?
That's nice.
You can see it right there.
Hey, get your hand out of his
Fucking
car.
hand out of my car and try and check. All I have to do is present it.
Holy sh!
Let me see your driver's
You're live on the internet.
Look
You
at
better
it. You
chill
can see
out.
it.
I can't see the driver's license.
Use a
He
flashlight.
doesn't have to give it to you. Wow.
What the f is wrong with you?
Wow, dude.
Get your supervisor over here now.
Okay.
You
Okay.
Are you
Fuck those
serious? Hey, big mistake.
Hey, can I see your insurance, please?
Big
No.
mistake.
It's on that phone.
Wow, that's a Fourth Amendment
So you think it's
violation.
right to take
Reaching
for
in
no
here.
insurance. I'll go to court.
Go write your tickets, punk. We're gonna go to court. I'm gonna be his witness too.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, mother. The law says
Wow,
I
that
have
was
to present
dumb,
it.
bro.
I don't
That
have to
was
give it.
dumb.
I can't.
He
No,
used
you
his
don't.
flashlight.
No,
I
you
had
don't.
it at the window, and he tried to reach in and take it.
Do not have to give it to you. You're tripping.
This.
You better read the
Yeah,
ARS.
right there. Yeah, you have a flashlight right
You
there.
do not have to be able to read it.
Yeah, and when it's against the window, you can.
You never did that.
Wow, these
I
people
was.
are.
You reached
Dumb.
in my car. I can if you can hold it if you're not trying to steal it out of my hand.
This is excellent.
Okay.
Okay.
All you had to do was provide me.
All you had to do
Present
was continue on your way and not get triggered by a light. That's the only reason you're detaining us right now.
Yeah. Okay.
You're stupid, bro.
Write me a ticket for speed.
Go write the ticket and off. This is civil. Ain't nothing criminal has happened. Go write a ticket and off.
You know I have discretion whether or not I write a ticket.
So go write it then. Let's go to court. I'd love to
the
go to
fact that I
court.
can take this right to your boss, the dash cam that showed how fast I was going, and that you said I was speeding, and that's your reason for pulling me over.
And also the light, I said.
That's not a reason
None of
to
those are
detain this vehicle. You
So people try to flag us down multiple.
And so you
Not
can
with
just say, "Hey, are you
flashlights,
okay?"
idiot.
And say yeah, and you walk away.
In the footage, after the auditor complied by showing his driver's license, Officer Larry abruptly reached into the vehicle and forcefully grabbed it from his hand, infringing upon the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue, but upon probable cause. In this situation, Officer Larry's aggressive act of seizing the driver's license without a clear and justifiable reason could be interpreted as an unreasonable seizure. Such a manner of grabbing the license certainly does not meet the standard of reasonable suspicion or probable cause necessary to justify the seizure in the first place. Moreover, the Fourth Amendment mandates that searches and seizures be conducted in a reasonable manner. Forcefully snatching an item from someone's hand may also be considered an excessive use of force. Finally, let's address whether merely displaying the driver's license at a readable distance suffices when an officer requests it. According to a PDF guide on traffic stops available on the government's website, Arizona state law explicitly requires drivers to show their license, vehicle registration, and insurance card upon request. The crucial word here is show. It doesn't state that you have to give your license to the officer. Specifically referring to the law, Arizona Revised Statute Section 28-1595 declares that after stopping, the operator of a motor vehicle who fails or refuses to exhibit their driver's license upon request is guilty of a Class II misdemeanor. Notice that the term exhibit is used, which essentially means showing, not handing over. To reinforce this point further and solidify it, if we examine Section 28-3169, it states, "The licensee shall have a legible driver's license in the licensee's immediate possession at all times when operating a motor vehicle. On demand of the Justice of the Peace, a police officer, or a field deputy or inspector of the department, a licensee shall display the license." Here the word display is used. Nowhere is it mentioned that a licensee must physically hand the document over to an officer. Regardless, once Officer Larry realized that the auditors were not going to let any unlawful action slide, he quickly changed his justification for the traffic stop by inventing yet another reason out of thin air.
It's still a traffic stop.
Now you have...
It's not a legitimate traffic stop.
Okay, and your license plate is improperly displayed because I can't read it from the back.
It's called a bike rack, which is legally allowed to be on there.
Okay, but I have to still see your license plate.
And walk up to it and look at it. Drive right behind it and look
Hey,
at
why don't you just keep coming up with dumb
it. One extra
infractions,
second
bro?
to look at it. Write me a ticket then for the obstructed license plate too.
Keep coming up with dumb infractions.
You
Come
wanna
on.
step out and tell me if you can see your license plate from 50 feet away as required per state law.
You can't see a license plate from 50 feet away at night without it.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't.
I've seen plenty of license plates from 50 feet away.
I don't think you know what 50 feet is.
Would you
We're in
like to
Phoenix.
Step out and see if you can see your license plate.
Go f yourself.
That's why I can see my license plate, because I fucking look at it every day when I walk up to my car from work.
Hey, all I need
I
is
can
another
read it from a third
3
story
minutes
building.
out of you. All I need is another 3 minutes out of you.
I couldn't see it
Keep
from-
bumping your gums.
Which one is it? You can
Keep
see
bumping
it
your
from-
gums.
I'm in a lit up parking lot at work.
Okay.
I'm talking about at night. You can't see anybody's license plate from 50 feet away.
Yes, you can.
Just stop talking to him. This dude's an idiot, bro. We've already filmed him. I already know you're an idiot.
Okay.
Okay. You can't detain a vehicle for
good
getting
shit.
flashed with a flashlight. That's not a lawful or a legal reason to detain somebody. That's a Fourth Amendment issue when you stop a vehicle. If there's not a traffic infraction or a criminal activity or a crime that you saw happen, you cannot detain this vehicle. You are literally violating the Fourth Amendment right this moment by detaining this vehicle and then articulating that it's because of a light. We were not speeding and we have proof of it, so you're a liar. You are a liar. You are. Why do I need to let you talk? You're just gonna try to lie some more.
I'm not.
Well, you
The
could've-
license plate,
the
the
way you
the
were
license
driving,
plate,
you
your
couldn't have
speed, the
faced
light. What else is it, bro?
Right, 'cause people
What else
get
is
my
it?
attention.
Nobody wants to get your attention.
Flag us down.
Yeah, well, nobody was flagging you down. No, they
Okay.
don't.
Also, the reason I stated was because of your speed. Now you're saying you're not speeding.
Hold on, how'd you determine his speed?
Yeah, that's what I'd like
How'd
to
you
see.
determine his speed?
We also have
How
the
did you
infraction
determine
of
his
license.
speed?
He passed like 20
How did
cars.
you determine his speed? You were facing a gate when I hit you with the light. So how'd you determine his speed?
I had to come northbound. Eventually, I determined your speed.
How?
How? There's got to be
How?
mathematics involved.
How? Okay, it doesn't answer my question. How? How did you determine his speed? This is what the judge is going to ask you. How did you determine his speed, officer?
So regardless if I write you a ticket,
How did you determine his speed, officer?
It's gonna be my discretion.
That's what the judge is going to ask you, and I'm going to be there as his witness. So how did you determine his speed, officer?
Right, technically.
That's exactly right. You didn't.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude,
Dude, we had to fucking hand wrestle. Dude, we almost got in a thumb wrestling match, bro.
bro, that dude is dumb. Do we got the chopper over us?
I don't know. It's coming, but I don't think it's for us.
Don't even realize what you just did. Bam, look at that.
Jesus bean.
That's the Jesus beam. You like that? That's the crybaby light. I get all the crybabies with it. He's gonna take pictures.
Yeah.
As we've observed, Officer Larry abruptly stated that the vehicle's rear license plate was blocked and could not be seen from 50 feet, as mandated by Arizona state law. It's important to note that this 50-foot requirement is actually based on an outdated statute, with a 2017 news article indicating that another law requires vehicles to have white lights that make the rear license plate just visible from at least 50 feet. As of 2023, Title 28 of the Arizona Revised Statutes does not specifically state the precise distance requirement. Instead, Section 28-2354 declares that unless permitted by the department, an individual may not cover the license plate with any material or use an electronic device or electrochromatic film that obscures from any angle the numbers, letters, year validation tabs, or the issuing jurisdiction's name on the plate. Considering this, and remembering that there was a bike rack installed above the license plate, it would be illogical for an officer to issue a ticket for any obstruction of the license plate.
What's funny is it's a bike rack. That's where it's supposed to sit.
Hey, Richard, what's a good phone number for you?
I'm not giving you my phone number.
No?
Give you the phone number. What's wrong with you?
You know what's the sad thing, Richard?
You want to know my shoe size?
Such good interactions in the past.
Yeah.
I don't know why it had to come down to this today.
Because you got triggered by this right here, this light right here, the Jesus beam.
That doesn't even bother me.
Well, then why are you over here, stupid? You were about to go into a parking lot, into a gate, and you got hit with the flashlight, and you got so triggered emotionally, you turned around and made up some bullshit about us speeding to pull us over. You articulated that before anything else, so when you get to court, all these pictures you just took of the license plate is after the fact. Now you're conspiring just to with us because we were exercising our First Amendment. Then, dude, why are you still standing here? Oh, he knows this. I've talked to you too before, you stupid. Dude, you were such a piece of shit. Nah, because you're standing on the street. Now you think you're better because you pulled us over, right? Oh, you were speeding. You can't even answer my question. An honest officer,
No, and I even told him about how you went the extra mile to do the right thing.
Oh, this was him?
Yeah, that's what makes this
beautiful, bro. Beautiful.
It's like a different side.
You can't even, as an honest, you think you're an honest person, but you can't articulate how you determine his speed. You can say he was speeding, you can come to that legal determination, but you can't articulate how you determined it. That means you're a piece of shit or you're a liar.
Well, you have your opinions, that's for sure.
Yeah, well, articulate it then. How did you determine his speed if you're an honest person?
You have your opinions. And we can discuss this further in court.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's the idea. He can't even say he was pacing.
No,
I mean,
he wasn't. He was speeding like a mother.
Blew up on our. I was recording it.
He followed me for about 1 block.
I mean, you guys already know there's 600 people in here. You know how I do when I'm out here doing shit. I make sure that we get everything. So this shit about you were speeding, that ain't gonna fly in court. This dude is 100% lying. The only reason he pulled us over right now is because of the flashlight.
Yep.
They might mistake our phones for weapons or something and start shooting at us. So.
Hey, Richard, I really don't want to have to give you a citation for something that you can demonstrate to me.
Yeah.
Just show me your insurance card, please.
I don't have the card. It's on the phone. I don't remember.
You
my
shouldn't
password.
have detained the
That's why I can't
vehicle,
give it to
dude.
you. I don't remember my password.
You shouldn't have detained the
So
vehicle.
Is this a password issue?
Yeah, yeah.
Your
I
best-
have Geico insurance.
The only way for you to fix this and mitigate issues is to walk away, dude. Walk the away, bro. Man, they're just.
At this stage, Officer Larry clearly recognized that he had entirely failed in his attempt to infringe upon the auditor's rights, and during this, Officer Larry's supervisor arrived at the scene and spoke with the auditors to understand what had occurred.
Yeah, legitimate. I can't.
Oh, we got another one coming. Sergeant, the supervisor. Your first question to him should be, are you here to mitigate the situation or escalate it?
Oh.
He's trying to lie to him right now. I hope the body cams are on. He shined this super bright flashlight at me and it hurt my feelings so bad. My feelings are literally hurt, guys. Oh my God. It hurt my feelings. And then they're being mean to me. They're yelling at me. And the one guy said that I was a piece of poop. He was so mean to me.
Hey, Richard. This is my boss, Sergeant Hernandez.
Uh-oh. Is he gonna escalate?
Sergeant Hernandez. Can I help you?
Yeah, I mean, are you here to mitigate or escalate?
Find out what's going on.
Well, my problem is him reaching in here to grab my license from me. Well, I mean, that's a secondary issue. That happened after the initial pullover. I mean, you telling me you pulling me over for a flashlight, and then now it's speeding, but can't justify any way of speeding. So there's no real way of justifying any stop here. And then he just continues to go with, oh, now you're obstruction of your license plate. That's a bike rack. That's exactly how the bike rack's supposed to fit the vehicle. So I don't know.
The original reason for the stop was make sure everybody's in here. Flashlight, make sure everybody's in here.
Yeah, so that's just, hey, are you okay? Oh, yeah. And that should have been it. There shouldn't have been any demand ID. And then the state law says that I just need to present it. So as I'm trying to put it to the window, he's reaching in here trying to get it. So now we're playing a fucking game of tug of war, fighting for it. Now that's a violation of my Fourth Amendment.
Do you guys like being on the internet? I mean, we've done this flashlight bullshit for over a year now, and here we are getting baited into it again. So this detainment from the initiation is not lawful. So when he realized that, he should have walked away, but he escalated it into violating the Fourth Amendment by breaking the barrier of the vehicle without permission and without lawful reason to do so. I mean, when you realize you made a mistake, this is when we walk away and we don't make it worse. By us continuing to be here, you've made it worse. I've been filming for 18 minutes. That's more than enough reasonable time to write any kind of ticket he was going to write. So this is just an extension and a further detention of our detainment on our Fourth Amendment, man. This is a big deal. This is a court issue. Like, you want to make it a bigger issue? You want to write a ticket? Let's go to court. Let's go to court, because then it becomes retaliation. After you've already realized what's going on, now you're continuing to push the issue. So you should be like, yeah, you're wrong, and boogie, or write your ticket and let us go. The further, so hurry to.
As the auditor pointed out, extending a traffic stop beyond what is necessary does indeed breach an individual's constitutional rights. In the 2015 Supreme Court case Rodriguez v. United States, it was determined that a police stop lasting longer than needed to address the initial reason for the stop infringes upon the Constitution's protection against unreasonable seizures. In the auditor's situation, the stop was originally initiated for alleged speeding and for shining a flashlight at the officer. The officer later added the claim of an obscured license plate, but the auditors refuted all these allegations. Despite there being no legitimate reason to prolong the interaction, the traffic stop was unnecessarily extended, which could be interpreted as another violation of the auditor's Fourth Amendment rights.
So part of the thing that you can request also, you can request the transmission of my radio traffic. When I told my dispatcher that I was pulling you over, I also informed her that the license plate was obscured. So if you want to see that I'm actually telling you the truth, feel free to request a copy of that, and you will see that when I initiated my code 6, I told my dispatcher that I'm going to be stopping a vehicle and that I didn't have a license plate because the license plate was obscured.
Well, tell the judge that. I mean,
I will.
Yeah.
So
just tell her right now, because this is going to be evidence.
I did.
Say, Your Honor,
6079.
I was following the law. Even though I'm a traffic enforcement officer and I'm supposed to understand traffic laws that are well established, qualified immunity. Qualified immunity, boys. We don't like it in Arizona. It's metal up there, right?
Yeah. Some point.
Here's your driver's license. Okay. So the one citation I am going to issue you today is the improper display of the license plate. That's the only one we're going to go with today. Okay.
Well, that's the only one you have any hope of sticking in court. So good choice.
So.
See, we know how to play the game better than you guys now.
So, right here.
You still can't issue a ticket on an unlawful detainment, genius.
So, you're going to have
license plate, right?
6/13/2023 at 11 a.m., 300 West Washington. You can do one or two things there.
So in the Title 28 code, you guys, there are exemptions for bike racks and things that are normally allowed to be put on your vehicle. And it's written into the ARS, and he's supposed to already know this. But he's just being a moron and thinks that he knows what he's talking about, and he's still writing a stupid ticket because he's really stupid.
No.
Yeah. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No.
You have yourself a better night.
We're having a great night. You just made it for us, you stupid. dude. What? Have a better night. It couldn't get any better.
Oh shit.
Without police interactions on our channel, they don't continue to grow or exist. So when he does like this, you're just perpetuating.
In the end, the driver was issued a ticket for improperly displaying the license plate, which, as we've already mentioned, was completely illogical. However, it was undoubtedly the only citation the officer could issue without leading to a major lawsuit, since the other two reasons, speeding and flashing a light, were completely baseless. Next, on June 25th, 2020, a Buffalo Police Department patrol car initiated a traffic stop after noticing a vehicle driving the wrong way on a one-way street. As the stop began, the officers quickly suspected the driver of drug activity and started an investigation. The entire event was captured on the body cameras of both officers.
A little bit, alright, man? You got your ID on you? None in the car, a little bit of marijuana, is there?
No, nothing.
Nah, where are you guys trying to get to?
I'm gonna go back home to my mother's house
Where's home?
on Barbara Street off Genesee.
Off Genesee? So none of you guys, a little bit of weed in the car, that's it? Oh yeah, smell it, you smoke?
No, we just got enough smoke.
You just,
Yeah, there's a little empty baggie there maybe or something.
you just set that down real quick and I'll have to step out there. Gonna pull over to prick me? No. Do you have a license or? You have a valid driver's license?
Immediately, the officers instructed the driver, a 30-year-old man named Quentin Suttles, to exit the vehicle and proceeded to search him. This action violates the United States Constitution, specifically the Fourth Amendment, which states, "The right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects, against unreasonable searches and seizures, shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized." In this case, this constitutional protection was clearly breached. Additionally, in August 2013, Federal District Court Judge Scheindlin ruled that stop and frisk had become a method of indirect racial profiling, with officers searching innocent individuals without any valid reason to suspect them of wrongdoing. At that time, New York City's Mayor, Michael Bloomberg, and Police Commissioner Raymond Kelly promoted the program as a key factor in reducing murders and major crimes to historic lows. The stop and frisk policy officially ended in January 2014, when newly elected Mayor de Blasio resolved the litigation and discontinued the program.
A permit? You have your license though? You got anything in your pants, man? That's you? Is this you?
No, that's me.
That's you?
Me.
Okay.
That's me.
Alright, that's it. Alright. You got the elastic on?
No, I don't got shit.
No, I'm saying the elastic underwear.
Oh, no, I don't got no. No, I don't know what type of underwear.
Alright. I'll set your stuff right here. What do you got there, dude?
That ain't nothing.
You got a pot or something?
No, that ain't nothing.
Dude, you got something.
That's not nothing, sir. Look.
Don't be stupid. Hold on. Don't be dumb.
Sir, that's not
Don't be
nothing.
stupid. Just chill.
Please, man.
Just
Please,
chill.
that's not nothing.
All right, just chill.
Everything on the ground, okay?
Just chill.
Please, that's not
Listen,
nothing.
man, we don't want to fight with you. Just don't be cool.
Man,
All right, just be cool,
sir.
Dude. Just be cool.
Please,
don't
man,
be stupid.
man, that's
Yeah,
not
go
nothing.
Be cool.
right?
Put your hands behind
not
your
Put your hands behind your back?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Get your hands out of your pocket.
I'm not in my pocket. Yo.
Your hands are in your pocket.
Yo, I don't have nothing.
Stop.
Okay.
Yes, you stop. Stop. Put your hands behind your back. Enough. Yes, I mean, why's he at?
I don't have nothing.
You got his other?
Why every time I see me, man, y'all do something to me, man. Every time, man.
Look at now he's clenching like crazy, dude.
Every time. No, I don't have
what?
nothing.
Get your hand.
I don't have nothing, man. Yo, baby, please. Yo, baby, can you please record this, baby?
Eagle what?
Yo, baby. Yo, baby, can you record this, baby, please?
Eagle.
Yo, baby.
He's trying to go.
Record this, baby, please.
Stay on the car! Stay on the car! He's trying to get his pants.
Yep, he's going right now.
Oh, baby.
Get off it!
The video unmistakably depicts the officers applying disproportionate force on Mr. Suttles, amounting to police brutality. It shows one officer continuously striking Mr. Suttles in the face while he pleads for assistance, and his girlfriend implores the officers to stop their actions. Ignoring these appeals, the officers persist in keeping Mr. Suttles pinned face down on the ground, consistently infringing upon his rights. This event could potentially be addressed under 42 U.S. Code Section 1983, which pertains to civil rights violations. This statute permits individuals to sue state officials and law enforcement agencies for the violation of any rights, privileges, or immunities guaranteed by the Constitution and laws. Instances of excessive force that breach the constitutional protection against cruel and unusual punishment fall within this category. Additionally, since Mr. Suttles is clearly in custody, the officer's conduct infringes upon another constitutional right. The Eighth Amendment to the United States Constitution declares, "Excessive bail shall not be required, nor excessive fines imposed, nor cruel and unusual punishments inflicted." This amendment is being breached as Mr. Suttles is undeniably experiencing cruel treatment and handling, despite being physically restrained at that moment.
No, let it go. Let it go. I don't have nothing. Eagle. I don't. Medicine. Let it go. Let it go. I don't have nothing. Stop. Stop. Yes, sir. Listen, man, please stop. Sir. Stop. I don't have.
You can't hit him like that.
He's gonna kill something. No, you're trying to eat the drugs.
I'm dying.
Stop.
Yo, I'm dying.
You need to stop.
I'm dying. Yo, they got me. I'm dying, yo. I can't breathe.
Stop.
I'm not. Stop and doing what, sir?
You don't have to put him in a chokehold.
He's not in a chokehold.
He's not bleeding.
I don't have anything, man.
He's going. Huh? He's still going.
Yeah.
Yo, babe.
Okay, stop. Don't resist.
Yo, babe.
Babe, don't resist.
Yo, babe, I'm out.
Although the camera is blocked by the close proximity between Mr. Suttles and the officers, resulting in unclear visuals, the audio captures a continuous series of blows from the officers towards the victim. It is essential to acknowledge that the officers' behavior and investigative methods are unconstitutional and illegal. As a result, they have no lawful basis to subject Mr. Suttles to such harassment. The officers' persistent actions in this situation are concerning and may lead to legal action if the victim decides to pursue that option.
Dope. Here, you want to pull him out?
My arm is broke. My eye is swollen shut.
What do you?
I can't even help myself.
It might be. He's still going.
I'm trying to turn around. I'm not doing nothing, y'all. I'm not doing nothing. I'm trying to turn around. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. Please, I'm not doing nothing. Please, I'm not doing nothing, man. Please, y'all can take me in and search me. And please, babe, I hope you got all this on record. Because when they ain't find nothing on me.
For no reason? No one does that for no reason.
Look how you were treating him.
Do you see how it started?
How it started, sir?
How it started?
We was
reaching in your pants. We asked you not to reach your pants 100 times.
I didn't reach him.
I was pleading with you. Please stop.
Sir,
I said, please stop.
He grabbing my nuts, sir. He said, what is this?
No.
The same way it happened last time. The same way it happened last time. He grabbing my nuts. I said, he said, what's this? He said, this you? I said, yes. He was grabbing.
But then
I go under.
I squeezed. There wasn't some dope in his pants.
The footage reveals several troubling elements that require attention. First, the officers appear to be trying to distort the narrative. They are seen attempting to gaslight the victim and bystanders by falsely claiming events that did not happen, suggesting they had no choice but to use excessive force, which caused Mr. Suttles' eye to swell shut from the impacts. This manipulation of facts by the officers for self-protection is deeply disappointing and alarming, as such behavior is not expected from law enforcement. More seriously, Mr. Suttles alleges that he was sexually assaulted by the officers, stating that they repeatedly touched his private areas. This serious accusation is supported by multiple instances visible in the footage. Claims of sexual misconduct by law enforcement fall under the Federal Civil Enforcement Police Misconduct Provision, which addresses violations of civil rights, including any acts of sexual assault committed by police officers. This provision is crucial for ensuring accountability and protecting individuals' civil rights, providing a legal pathway for victims like Mr. Suttles to seek justice and compensation for these violations.
How much is in your pants?
Nothing, sir.
Yes, there is.
Sir.
We're gonna find it, dude.
Yo, if you find, yo, I guarantee you.
I don't know if he got it or what.
I can't move my arm, y'all. I can't move my arm.
All right.
Please.
You wanna go inside?
I cannot use my arm.
Say him?
Huh?
Yeah, we'll get it out.
Yeah. Ooh. He was.
I cannot move my arm,
His
y'all.
ass.
It might be up his butt.
I can't move my arm, y'all.
Okay.
Can I sit up at least?
What street are we on?
Eagle and Madison.
Can I sit up
Madison?
at least, y'all?
Eagle and Madison.
Can I sit up at least?
Hold on.
No,
Please.
wait 1 sec.
Please, man, can I sit up, man? Ah, my arm, man.
Stop.
Yo, please, man, can I sit up, man? Please, can I?
We're trying to see your butt.
Oh,
What do you
there's
have?
nothing in my. Oh my God, there's nothing in my.
There's something. What are you reaching
I
for?
guarantee you, yo, there's nothing
Okay, let's see.
in my shit, dude.
Then
I just
why
wanna-
are you fighting him?
Can I just sit up, man? Cause last time I got violated every time. They violate me, man.
Sit underneath.
At this stage, the officers continually allege that Mr. Suttles is hiding marijuana, even though there is no evidence to support their accusations. This conduct appears to be a blatant misuse of authority and suggests that the officers are abusing their power.
Might be in the under the thing he put. Woo. Slow the cars. So you go,
Please, man, my arm is broken.
Yeah, he got some back.
My arm is broken. You please.
Yeah, he's got some in his pants. You gotta get out.
My arm is broke, fellas.
Okay.
Pants, dude.
Here.
Yo, my arm is.
All right, we're gonna get you up.
Okay.
He has what?
Something.
I don't have nothing in my drawers, y'all.
He started fighting with
Never
us.
seen. Hey, yo, babe, record this, please. Please.
It's being recorded.
No, my baby.
All right, here. All right, come on, brother. Come back here.
Yo, search him good. Yo, babe, please look at my face. Get a picture. Hurry up. Hurry up, man. Zoom in. All this, man, every time, man. Every time I go through this, yo. Yo, I am, though. Like, every time I go through this.
Is that what it was, Drew?
What?
That?
No, it had to be.
It was squishy.
It had to
There's
be.
more, too.
It had to be that.
An excuse, huh? Yeah, it was in his pocket. I don't know if he got to it. He didn't get his mouth, did he?
No, he didn't get in his mouth.
They had nothing. No.
It's probably in his butt.
Adam 410, you're open.
Oh my God. Look at my eye.
Report 1335.
Oh my God. Yo,
Did he get it out?
look at my eye. Yo, man. Yo, my arm is broke. Yo.
Arm's not broken.
Yeah.
Yo, that's probably what he felt on some real shit.
So why are you fighting and reaching your
Yo, cause I'm like, yo, he
No,
grabbing my nuts,
headphones.
dude. He grabbing my nuts. Like, yo, what
What's
the
in
fuck?
there?
I'm like,
No
yo,
one's
what the
grabbing
fuck
your
is-
nuts. I was squeezing it. You'd be going nuts if I was
Yo,
grabbing
you
your nuts.
grabbing my nuts, dude. And it's like, it's the third time this shit happened to me. I feel like I'm,
You got no reason to be fighting that.
I feel like I'm.
He's still clenching, dude.
Yeah.
Separate your legs. Separate your legs from me.
Squat. Squat.
Stop trying to put your hand in there.
Squat. Squint like crazy. Cough.
Did she get it? You check on our car where he was reaching?
There we go.
So that's a
120.
It's in his thing.
Yeah, it's in there somewhere.
It's
gotta be in there somewhere.
Check on the car. Will you hold my hand quick?
When asked about his evident anxiety and mistrust of the police, Mr. Suttles explains that he faces sexual harassment during every traffic stop, including the current incident. Instead of addressing his distress, The officers dismiss his concerns and persist in searching him for drugs, while simultaneously threatening him with severe penalties for dishonesty. This dismissive and aggressive reaction not only downplays the seriousness of his claims, but also highlights a troubling abuse of authority by the officers. As the situation unfolds, the area becomes more crowded, with numerous additional vehicles and officers arriving to intensify the search for drugs on Mr. Suttle's person and in the surrounding vicinity. Despite the increased effort and thorough examination, no drugs were found. The absence of any incriminating evidence should eliminate any probable cause, making further investigative actions against Mr. Suttle's both unnecessary and legally indefensible. Nevertheless, the investigation continues. Furthermore, the officers' behavior during their interactions raises significant concerns. They repeatedly grope and touch Mr. Suttle's in highly inappropriate ways, exacerbating his discomfort and sense of violation. This conduct not only causes distress to Mr. Suttle's, but also undermines public trust in law enforcement. Such actions could be considered violations under the Federal Civil Enforcement Police Misconduct provision of the Violent Crime Control and Law Enforcement Act of 1994, which addresses misconduct by law enforcement officers. This provision is intended to protect civil rights and safeguard individuals from abuses of power, ensuring that officers are held accountable for actions that unjustly infringe upon individuals' freedoms and dignity. On April 21, 2024, Officer Joey Lamberth from the City of Wren Police Department in Georgia responded to a call about a driver swerving all over the roadway. He located the driver and pulled him over after reportedly witnessing multiple swerves. The encounter was recorded on body camera, with Officer Quincy Cannon and Sergeant Brown of the Wren PD later arriving at the scene.
Hey, we got a call about you all over the roadway, then I get behind you and you was swerving a little bit.
No, I found him behind that trailer right there.
You found him behind that trailer right there?
Yeah.
Okay. You come over. You come over a few times. Do you got your driver's license on you? Have you been drinking today?
No, I've been chewing tobacco today.
Chewing tobacco? Okay.
Yeah.
Where y'all headed to?
You drop your truck off?
Where's that?
And right here.
Is this your car or his car?
No, his car.
This one is?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a mom car.
Alright, just hold.
Let's sit and drink a beer, but he's in more than me.
You said you need an alcohol sensor? The alcohol sensor? Here.
Yeah. Joe it is. I'm gonna go home.
So who's doing the who's doing the DUI?
One of y'all trying to make it up.
Okay. Well, who stopped the car?
He did.
Joey did?
Yeah.
Oh. Cause y'all asked for an alcohol sensor. I'm like, I thought y'all already did everything, a testing and stuff. Hey. Hey. I'm not even. Unless y'all want to work it, I'm not arresting nobody. Because I'm not doing anything because they still got me on nights. So unless y'all want to work the DUI, if not, I'm gonna have somebody come pick them up. Who stopped the car? I did. I got called for it. Your body camera's upside down. Yeah, some of this. But I just got called. Y'all asked for alcohol sensor. I have an alcohol sensor. Whoever needs it can. Yeah, just let me see it real quick. I'm gonna just have them blow into it. Yeah. I mean, if he don't want to blow into it, he don't have to. You know that. It's not against the law to drink and drive. I mean, it's not against the law to have a beer and drive. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. We got to see if he can drive.
And how can you prove that? I mean, I have the most training right now on scene.
Then you need to get
You need to act like it, then. No, I am acting like that. I'm telling you. What are you talking about?
Officer Cannon correctly states that it is not illegal in Georgia to drink a beer and then drive. However, under Georgia Code Section 40-6-391, it is illegal to drive with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of 0.08% or higher, or while under the influence to the point that it is less safe to drive. The 2004 Shaheed vs. State case clarified that proving someone had been drinking, such as through the smell of alcohol, is insufficient for conviction. Instead, there must be evidence of impaired driving, such as swerving or slurred speech. While actual unsafe driving is not required, erratic behavior or signs of impairment can lead to a conviction.
Deal with it. No, I'm saying like, you deal with it. You got it.
If it'll help, what I could do, I was taking that to Lord.
Come on. I don't know what he did about it. Come on. So what was unsafe about him? Friends 102 Central. I'm in service. Turn over to whoever.
How you guys doing?
Hey, sir. My name is Officer Ken. I work for Rennes Police Department. What happened today?
I don't know. I got pulled over.
You got pulled over? Okay. By him?
I don't know.
Okay.
By him or who?
Okay. Okay. All right. How much you had to drink today?
I had one beer today.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay.
Now I know my blood pressure is up.
Okay. Well, what we want to do is we just want to check.
Hold on. All right, it's your choice. Do you want to blow on this? I gotta see. Right now, I mean, you're looking functional to me. It's nothing like that. I don't see nothing. I didn't even stop you. Like this is completely. I didn't stop. I didn't stop you.
But you know, they saying I was swerving all over the road.
Look, bottom line is we just want you to blow in this. That way we can see if you are able to drive.
The thing, Brown, is
I'm not gonna doing that.
Okay,
so
and that's his choice.
I wasn't swerving. Well, I don't know who called y'all. I followed him to the shop, take the truck to the shop.
Hey, Sergeant Brown, that's his choice. I gotta prove that he's less safe. I can't. It's against. I violate his Fifth Amendment right.
No, he was proved less safe when he was crossing that line.
And now
down
there. Crossing what line? I did not.
Talk to me. He doesn't want to blow on it. That's his choice.
Officer Cannon argues that requesting a driver to take a breath test would violate the driver's Fifth Amendment rights. However, the U.S. Supreme Court has ruled that the Fifth Amendment only protects against compelled testimony, not real or physical evidence like breath tests. In Pennsylvania versus Muniz, 1990, the court held that the Fifth Amendment does not shield individuals from being required to provide non-communicative evidence, including breathalyzer results or refusals. In contrast, the Georgia Supreme Court in Ammons versus State, 2022, ruled that under the Georgia Constitution, protections against self-incrimination extend to acts like breath tests and field sobriety tests, which require active cooperation from the suspect. In Georgia, drivers can refuse a preliminary breath test, and that refusal cannot be used against them at trial. Although the Fifth Amendment does not apply to breath tests, Georgia's Constitution provides broader protections. Nevertheless, Officer Cannon's request for a breath test, based on reasonable suspicion, would likely be lawful under Georgia law. The 1998 case State versus Stanberry allows officers to request such tests if there is reasonable suspicion, which likely exists here due to the driver's swerving and admission to drinking a beer. Therefore, Officer Cannon's concerns about legality are unfounded.
I gotta visibly see what's like. When I make my DUI, I visibly see abnormal behaviors.
We're not going to hold courtside rules, one.
Okay.
Two, we're not going to argue with each other in front of people. We're here to back one another up, okay?
And Joey left.
Okay, well, I can't help what Joey did. Now it's me and you here.
Okay.
So we're going to do what's got to be done.
Okay, and what's
right
that?
now we're looking like complete idiots to them, okay?
Okay. So what do you want me to do?
If Joey stopped, Joe don't want to do nothing with it, that's fine. He don't want to blow on that, that's fine. But he's not driving that car away from here.
I can't
due to his driving.
I can't be part of that because that's unlawful.
Well, you go do what you're gonna do. I'll take care of it.
Okay. Oh my God, this is completely.
Okay, this is where
Sir,
we're
here goes your ID back.
Based on His driving. We got a call that he was all over the road.
Hey, one real. Yeah.
Okay, sir. He admitted he's been drinking.
Yes, sir.
All right. The officer that stopped him already said he wasn't going to pursue no DUI with him.
Yes, sir.
Unlock him up. But what we want to do is check him and see if he was okay to drive.
Yes, sir.
But since he refused to let us check him, then I need somebody to drive that vehicle.
Well, what I can do, I can let him get in with me. I'm gonna go right down to the Lords and unload my truck. I'll come back and load this one up and take it back to Barton.
Okay. Because I don't want him getting hurt, and I don't want him hurting nobody else.
He was doing me a favor because I don't have a vehicle at the time.
Well, see, it could just be his blood pressure.
Yes, sir.
We don't know.
Yes, sir. I understand. Well, like I said, if it's okay.
Could be sugar out of whack. We don't know. But I just don't want him getting hurt.
Okay, well, if it's okay, we'll just leave this here. I'm gonna run that truck down the Lords.
Okay.
And we'll come back and load this one up, and I'll just drive both of them back.
Well, I said, I ain't telling you got to do that. I'm just asking
I would rather do that because I appreciate
y'all
for what y'all doing for me.
because I don't want him getting hurt.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right,
that's what we'll do. I'm gonna leave the truck right here. We're gonna go on down there and unload it.
Okay.
I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all.
Have a good day, sir.
Officer Lamberth and Officer Cannon during a traffic stop. There are questions about whether either officer faced disciplinary action, but it's been reported, though unverified, that Officer Cannon was terminated from the Wren Police Department. Cannon previously worked for the Richmond County Sheriff's Office, where he and 2 deputies were arrested for allegedly assaulting a handcuffed man. Cannon was arrested in December 2022, placed on leave, and later resigned after being given the option to do so or be fired. He was not indicted by a grand jury and was hired by the Wren Police Department in June 2023. Cannon later filed a racial discrimination lawsuit against his former employer in April 2024, which is ongoing. Regarding the traffic stop, Officer Lamberth is critiqued for unprofessional behavior, including leaving in the middle of the stop, which left other officers to handle the situation without full context. Although he had legal grounds for requesting the breathalyzer, his temper and abrupt departure were seen as unprofessional. Officer Cannon, on the other hand, is praised for defending citizens' rights, but he was wrong about the legality of refusing the breathalyzer test. His condescending tone and arguing with a supervisor in front of a citizen were deemed unprofessional. Though well-intentioned, Cannon's stance on the breathalyzer was likely incorrect, as the court would probably have found the test request lawful. The driver earns praise for staying calm, refusing the breathalyzer respectfully, and complying with the officer's requests. The driver's grade is unaffected by any possible alcohol consumption, as he didn't seem intoxicated, though his grade could change if intoxication were proven. Next video. On August 23, 2022, Officer Amani Davis of the Miami Police Department responded to an emergency involving an overdose near a store owned by the family of Matthew Gandor. Gandor stepped out of the store with a friend to observe the scene. His friend began filming, and Officer Davis approached them to ask why. Gandor attempted to film the officer with his own phone, but Officer Davis seized it from his hand and physically prevented him from retrieving it. Although the incident was captured on body camera, Davis muted his camera during the initial part of the interaction.
Yo! Yo! What's wrong? I'm not playing with you, kid. What did I just tell you? 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 Relax. Put him hands up. I told you how many times to put your hands behind your back. Yes, he did. I told you. He's resisting. I told you not to record. I'm talking to you. He put his hands on me. Yes, he did. And you were standing right there.
I'm standing, but
get up.
Call my uncle. Call my uncle.
Get away from me. Go outside the gate.
Call my uncle.
No.
Call my uncle.
Not right.
Call my uncle.
Get out the chase. Sit up.
This is my brother. Hey, come back for now.
You got ID on you?
Call my uncle.
Okay.
You can't check me.
Hold on.
Man, I'm bleeding. Look what you did to me.
Rescue's there. They're going to take care of you.
Why'd you do that to me? I didn't touch you.
You're going to jail now, too. You work in the store, right? Yeah. Right? Yeah. I told you they said you sell out the store. You specifically.
Yo, call my uncle. 786. Call him.
I'm calling Patty. He's bleeding, man.
I know. Rescue going to take. Back up, man. You want to go too? Back up. It's a crime scene. Back up.
Yeah, but this is my property.
Back up. I know it's your property. Now back up. I'm giving you a lawful order. Back out. Get up. Don't spit.
You gonna give me a napkin?
I'm not getting you nothing. If I arrest you, I'm cleaning you up. Sit down. I told you don't touch me.
I didn't touch you. You touched me.
Sit down.
You
touch me.
You still talking. Sit down.
Can I get my other shoe?
No. He can't touch you. He can't come over here. Rescue's gonna clean you up.
I have a question.
No, I'm not. I'm done talking to you. When I want to talk to you, you don't want to talk.
Why was your body cam off?
Why was my body cam? It was on because it was recording.
Why was it off?
It was on.
It was off.
How was it off?
You came and you asked that lady the other day for her social, and you harassed her at the bus stop. Why you let her go?
Let who go?
Why you let her go?
We talked. We didn't harass each other at the bus
I
stop.
want my lawyer.
You get a lawyer. Thank you. Stop talking. It's all recorded. Give me his license, Sam. His license. Give me his license. His license. I guess they gave you everything. It was a wallet with the money. He gave you all that stuff, right?
I have it in my car.
Right. So I need his license. His wallet.
His license for what? Ask me for what?
I need his license.
Okay, for what?
He going to jail. I need his info.
He went to jail for what?
Yeah, resisting. I already told you. And he put his hands on me. Give me his license.
Officer Davis claims Mr. Gandor is being arrested for resisting and putting his hands on the officer. However, body camera footage shows that Mr. Gandor made no physical contact with Officer Davis, undermining the justification for a battery charge. Regarding the resisting charge, Florida law, section 843.02, defines resisting as obstructing an officer without violence. The footage fails to show how Mr. Gandor resisted, especially since the body cam was muted during key moments. Mr. Gandor also states that he was never told to leave, and according to a 2020 court ruling, Rualo v. City of Coral Springs, refusal to leave only constitutes obstruction if it physically impedes the officer's duties. Therefore, it seems unlikely a court would uphold the arrest for resisting.
Now you feel like this. I see why. No, don't go over there. I don't gotta answer nothing from you. He's going to jail for resisting already. I told you, and he put his hands on me. No, he put his hands on me. I'll give him a shoe. That's fine. Let me get his. Can I get his ID? Can I get his ID, bro?
No, she can't go inside the...
I don't want you, none of that. Give me his ID, man. You still talking.
Video, y'all good.
Come on, man.
Sam, your name ring bells in the street too, Sam, for a man that don't come outside. I just need his ID, bro. I need your license. He's on scene. He'll be here. I need his license. I need his license. You get it. Okay, so you got his ID or not? Yes or no?
I have my ID. I have my ID.
Yes.
I have his ID.
Okay, so I can start the paperwork.
Yeah.
He said back up. Can I get his ID?
Yeah, give me the license. You want me to give him your ID or yes?
Hey, can you put him in the car, please? Because you making too much noise. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Let me get his ID, please.
If he say yes.
If he say, I needed to ID him.
If he say yes, he's the one.
That's fine. I don't need it. I'll run him and take all night. Don't worry about it. You good. You good. You good. You good. You good. You good. You record it, bro. Nobody go back and forth with you.
What's the badge number, sir?
It'll be on your arrest form.
Wow. My arrest form?
Yeah.
I'm being arrested?
Yeah, I told you that already. Don't ask.
What's the arrest form?
You can read it when you get the TGK.
You're not gonna let me call no one?
You don't get a call till you get the TGK. It's not the movies. I'll talk to you. Yeah. Without him. Tell him to stay over there.
So, let me connect.
No response.
Tell me what happened.
I get here. I'm actually going to a call. Deal with somebody that's actually possibly abducted. Right? This lady's OD. Right here on the sidewalk. This whole array of people. Everybody's out recorded. Flag me down. Come take care of it. That's the problem. We're working on her. Everybody's barking at stand third.
Yeah, we're
outside the store. Hey, is there anybody's car that's down there? Trying to ask to get cars out of here. There's a car parking there. As I always have. Just tell them I know you. Never seen him a day in my life.
That's my nephew.
Okay, so, well, Don called me. Oh, who the fuck are you to be? Bro. I don't know you. Now he's there. I'm looking at Sam. Yo, back up, get out my face. They're still recording. I said, is this comical to you? Just asking a question. Oh, you can't take my phone. I'm not touching your phone. But now the point that you're in my area, I'm telling you, bro, back up, walk off. Oh, I don't do anything for you. I'm not, okay, at that point, that's game on. Simple as that. I told him to back up, he did it, he got pushed, taken to the ground, he's arrested. Try to get simple misdemeanor, it's like, she called me, I told her. I said, once he decides to calm down, that's that. I asked him for his ID. Oh, I'm not giving you shit. Okay. Bro, I need his info so I can take care of this. We're already here now. We're here now. At the moment he walked up, it was over with.
Okay, anyway, you can let him go?
I can't because everything's already happened. And then the whole thing, you go talk to him,
He got a gas on it, a little small cut on his head. I guess going down to the ground. It's too far at that point. If I could have let him walk, we would have walked. At the point where Don called me, okay, I said, yeah, somebody with sense. That's why I said, when you got here, give me somebody with sense. But for him, it's gonna be a misdemeanor. It's gonna be like, you want to get transported now, they're gonna go clean him up, and he's gonna still go. But it is what it is for this one. And he hasn't watched his mouth. I don't know who.
But Davis, let me tell you something.
Talk to me.
Okay.
Talk to me.
I watched the video.
Okay.
You were aggressive with him.
How was I aggressive to him?
You want me to show you the tape?
I can't show the tape because I'm here. What's up? You gonna take him? I'll take him out of the car in a minute. You have my number? 305. Does it have audio on the tape too? Okay. I gotta take him to Jackson. Alright? I don't need that. They already got it. Call me so I have your number.
You sure you were good?
No, it's fine. No, he's good.
I look up, I see him at Coach.
No, he's fine. He's fine. He's fine. He's fine.
Jackson, who's in charge?
Jackson?
I mean, Davis.
Lindsay, he'll be here. You want him here?
Call him.
Okay. Hold on.
No, make sure you're talking. Get the second out of the doctor. Now, Davis, let me tell you something. Okay? As far as I know a lot of police officers, and I'm good with everybody. Okay? Now, words, you should not put your hands on anybody when it comes to words. Now, look.
Okay,
I saw you snatching the camera phone out of his hand. Okay, on the car.
Where was the phone at? No, where was the phone at originally? No, it was not.
I can show you the camera.
I told you to send it to me. That's fine. So at the point that I'm talking to, I'm recording, put the phone out of my face.
Now,
I came and asked
you guys, listen, Davis, you guys escalated everything, and you beat the shit out of the kid. And look, you pushed him from there all the way to the middle of the thing. You showing to MHO?
Yeah, I'm headed that way now. Okay. I pushed him once. At the moment that I went to grab,
You went after him, and you grabbed him there and slammed him to the ground, Davis.
He got
Yes, you did. I got on camera, man.
And I was here.
I got on camera. You might not say you didn't slam.
No, he got taken down. Slam is what to you? Picking up and slamming, right? He got taken down to the ground, sir. That's what happened.
Now, let me tell you something.
Talk to me.
Right now.
Talk to me.
Nothing personal.
It's not personal.
But when you guys attacked my nephew, it became personal. So now, listen. You, specifically, stick your name in.
I'm going out.
Now, let me tell you. The footage, I'm going to take. I'm going to take. Again, I'm going to take it. I'll make sure it's investigated. Okay?
You had that right completely.
Mr. Gandor, his uncle, reported to Officer Davis that excessive force was used against Mr. Gandor, and a thorough investigation was promised. To assess whether the force used was excessive and violated the Fourth Amendment, courts consider factors from Graham v. Connor, 1989, including the severity of the crime, the threat posed by the suspect, and their resistance to arrest. The 11th Circuit in Richmond v. Badia, 2022, added that justification for the force, its proportionality, and any resulting injury must be considered. In this case, Officer Davis allegedly pushed Mr. Gandor several feet and threw him to the ground, causing injuries that required emergency treatment and resulted in permanent damage. Given the apparent lack of justification for Officer Davis's actions, the use of force is likely to be deemed excessive and unconstitutional.
That's fine. You're good.
Personally, back in the day, me and you would have been going at it right now, right when I pulled up.
It wouldn't have happened that way.
No. I'm telling you, me back in the day, it would have been. It would have gone like that.
Back in the day
it would not be the first time.
It's not back in the day. It's not back in the day.
That's what I'm telling you. So now I'm telling you, man to man.
You can't walk up on an officer after I tell you to give me space and get out of my face.
First of all,
you can't keep walking up to me.
Listen to me. You chose. Listen. No. Listen. You chose to go after the two people.
Go after the two that I knew with sense. I didn't go after them.
Why the fuck
I came and talked to them. Why did everybody else was dealt with it went inside the gate? They were leaving. The only reason they came together was because he started
cameras, right, Davis? Davis, you realize I got cameras.
We'll talk. Do your thing. I got you. Hey, whatever you got to do, go that route. I got you. Go that route. I'm gone. No issue.
In this case, Mr. Gandor was detained for over 8 hours before being released at 4:45 a.m. without any charges being filed. Officer Davis initially intended to charge Mr. Gandor with disorderly conduct, but later dropped the charges. The Miami Police Department launched an internal affairs investigation, but no results were made public, leaving it unclear whether Officer Davis faced any disciplinary action. On May 26, 2023, Mr. Gandor filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against Officer Davis. The court denied Davis's request for qualified immunity on January 9, 2024, concerning claims of false arrest and excessive force. The case was dismissed on July 19, 2024, after an undisclosed settlement. Officer Davis's conduct was notably aggressive and unprofessional. He violated Mr. Gandor's First Amendment rights by preventing recording of the incident, used excessive force, and falsely claimed Mr. Gandor assaulted him, despite body camera footage disproving this. The officer also kept his camera muted during critical moments, further raising concerns about his behavior. His unfounded accusations and misconduct highlight serious issues with his actions. Mr. Gandor's handling of the situation was commendable. Despite the confrontation, he avoided escalating the situation physically, complied with commands, and pursued legal action to address the wrongful arrest. His composure and resilience in defending his rights throughout the ordeal are admirable. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Your support helps us shine a light on corruption and hold officers accountable. Subscribe to US Corrupt Cops for more updates and the latest on police misconduct. Thanks for watching.